Hello iPhone users, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy paste the photo without actually copy and pasting it. So this is an interesting feature. You can make sure that the photos are in your notes or any messages. For that you have to go to the photos section, any photo, tap on that and slide it up or here and there, and with that open the other app where you want to put the photo on. Here I pick the photo from the photo section, open the other app where I want to drag the photo to and drop it. That's what I did. Very easy, very quick, without tapping on copy and paste, right? And you can save it to the file from here. You can edit it right away. You can draw something on it and the photo will be here in your notes. Right now it is here. I'm going to show you another example, and this is a very quick trick for you, for the iPhone users, and definitely a time saver and more, whatever you call it. So I'm going to try it with other photo. This one I'm trying for copy and paste thing, but I have just told you another feature of iPhone which is useful, and definitely you can do it with any photo on your phone. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.